channel. While following my last video regarding the cost of living in Johannesburg, I got quite a few inquiries regarding rental apartments in the city. So today I'm going to show you what around $500 can get you in Johannesburg. Today I'm in a suburb called Northriding, and I'm about to show you a brand new development called Isabel Estate. The apartment I'm going to show you is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom apartment. Let's go inside. The architecture of the estate is modern contemporary. The apartment I'm viewing is on the first floor and covers a total floor area of 84 meters squared. It is on the market for rental at 8,300 rands, which is about $540 at the current rate, or available to purchase at 1.3 million rands, which is roughly $84,600. The kitchen has crispy white handleless cabinets, a fitted modern touch plate stove, and space for a dishwasher and washing machine. This is the living room, which is spacious enough to have a small dining table as well. It leads out to a 9-meter squared balcony laid with astroturf. Here we have the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, perfect as a child's room, visitor's room, or converted to a home office. It has its own large bathroom adjacent. The main bedroom has a lovely window that looks out onto the balcony. The room has good cupboard space and an ensuite bathroom with a glass partition wall and door. The estate comprises of 4 buildings, each one with its own beautiful courtyard. Other amenities include a children's play area, 2 swimming pools, and a clubhouse where residents can host their own events. If you want more information about this property, please contact Domito Developments using their details in the description box below. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.